I take my costume artist and went on with the creation of pretty new templates. I click on the New button. I have a host of template options to choose from. I imported the one that I desire. I will now give it a name. I am altering the imported template according to my taste in graphics. I am downloading my logo, picture, and font directly in the editor. Now I will place this selection of logo, picture, and font into my design. I am now editing the message content with personalized text that are geared towards my new customers. Look, I find indicating the coupon code directly in the paper note to be quite interesting. I am now adding a frame that will include the variable coupon code, along with an informational text. I am now making sure to translate the template text into all the languages used on my site. Saving it now. My first template is done. Having already made a template with graphic layout that suits me, I am duplicating the template New Customers in order to create the Loyal Customers template. I am changing the name and personalizing the text for my loyal customers. Click Save and I am done. In just a few clicks, I created the Other Client template, and now I am moving towards scenario creation.